Let's talk about driveways and driveway repairs. This right here, instead of taking the whole driveway up, we cut out the bad parts and put the stone in. Some of these pieces are 9 inches thick, by the way. Now this is the dry look. With a dry sealer. And up here, this is the wet look. With the wet look sealer. Now this is the inside of the garage floor. Now the idea was to make this look old. And I definitely think we reached the goal there. Looks like it's been here a minute. A few years. Again, the choice is yours. You can have it looking like this. Or you can have it looking like this.